Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Ponikar. This is my name, this is my roll number. I'm working on Math project, this is my project. And let me start from registration. I can create new registration over here. User ID is automatically generated if we fill the form and fill all the requirements over here. Let me fill all the information. Okay. As soon as we fill the information, we will get user ID password. We have to note it down and go to login page and register and log into the portal. Now for demo purpose, I have super admin. For admin, we have three users: admin, influencer, and sponsor. For admin, this is the demo credential. I will log in. So we have profile, all users, advertisement, and all negotiation for admin. And full CRUD operation is working on this page. I can edit the name, everything like this. Editing is working, deleting is working. This is super admin, so we can edit, delete the users. Option is given over here. We can edit and delete advertisement. Option is given over here. And we can edit, delete. Negotiation options are given over here. We have special functionality of reporting. Let's jump over to the sponsor page. For sponsor, we have this demo login. For sponsor, same thing, but sponsor can see all the users, but no edit delete because it is sponsor. Can create new advertisement, add edit delete. Can create new negotiation, add edit delete. And we don't have reporting page because that is only for admin. So let's log out. And we have influencer page. For influencer, I am using this demo login. Okay. For influencer, I have all advertisement, negotiation, and logout. Same thing for influencer profile. It can be edited. Advertisement can't see users because it's an influencer. And for advertisement, can't edit, delete, only see. For negotiation, suppose I want to negotiate for this. So I will click on here. For negotiation, comments from influencer. Okay, I want to do it for 700 USD. Let's suppose. And it should be work from home option. Suppose. I will submit here. Okay. As soon as I submit, I will get one email notification. Let's go to the email. I've integrated email notification also. Okay, so this part is edited. Let's check for email. Yeah, here it is. So I can see all details of editing. The email will directly go to the admin using fast. I'm using fastmail.com. Then the notifications are also working. Let's jump over to the super admin. In super admin, we have admin report here. I can type admin, download all reports using Excel and in CSV format. Let's download one Excel report. Here it is. So this is the Excel report. It's working fine. Let's download same thing negotiation in CSV. So this is the CSV file. It's also working. This is the graph. It is dynamic. I'm using Chart.js. And this is special thing. I'm using AI search bar with ChatGPT. So if I want to see some details, like please tell me something about this is the ad that I have created. So let me show you this ad. So I'm talking about this ad. Naturally, YouTube video creation. I just use this for searching. Let's see what response we will get from AI. Basically, this search bar is used only for admin to get some kind of KPI details, and admin can search directly. Yeah, here it is. It's giving all information based on the data that is provided, and the data is strictly related to the database. So if I want, we can search approximately anything from this search bar. So, and I have completed all functionalities as requested for Mat2 project, and thank you.